We spent the night next to the Hellfire Club in Ireland. The club is very well known for its dark past, dipping into dark spiritual and satanic rituals. The club was made to mock the church. It's said the duke that purchased the club was appointed by the devil himself. The most ironic thing was that this land and estate was purchased from the original Hellfire Club owner in the United Kingdom. But first it's time to pick up a few ingredients for the food. So, we're heading down to the Hellfire Club in Dublin. So yeah, if you don't know about the Hellfire Club, Sam and Kobe have already been here and done it. So, on our way now, hopefully we make it in time, and we're going to make some KFC popcorn chicken. I don't know the connection, but yeah, that's what we're doing. On our journey down, the darkness really did descend very quickly. As we got higher and higher up the mountain, the darker the sky became. Night was upon us, just like that. Our plans of cooking outside have now turned a little bit frightening. With all due respect, but the space that we parked at also had a very gruesome history. A few years back, the remains of someone were found scattered across the roads, the fields. Unfortunately, we did not know this, and it's probably a good thing we didn't know it, because this video probably would not have happened. The darkness of its history is as dark as the hills on a cold winter night. Perhaps we weren't alone. Ben, come on. So I think we're just going to park up here for tonight. Alex over there. Our little diffused light setup. Yeah, works okay. Just can't see like the killer coming in the distance.
All in green and mushroom and chicken
Recipe. So yeah, I didn't think this through. So we're in the middle of nowhere. We have no signal, no nothing. Do you know how to make this? So yeah, we're trying to double of what the recipe says. So I'm just gonna put like a teaspoon of everything. Put in. So I'm just gonna... No! Ah!
Anything for the match?
That's perfect. Full flavor, full whack. Ugh.
Hi, yeah.
Alex, okay, so I needed to get mustard powder. I couldn't get mustard powder, so I'm just gonna mix the mustard in with the egg. Is there like white things inside this? We should have went to KFC. There's a pimple in it.
It's the what? If you want to end the Just put the AMS in it for a bit.
I want it like McDonald's. I want it like KFC. Something in my ear.
Best chef cooker. And the in it.
Because Alex, you need to learn who I am. You have to understand. I'm a comedy act. I'm a one-man show. Look, I've wrecked the table now. Brilliant. Don't care. Listen, the table's for you and me. Okay, we're gonna add the seasoning, the secret KFC ingredients. Probably too much.
And after plate, put it in plate. After put egg, season it and air fry.
Egg over this, yeah?
First egg, after season, after air fry.
Ladies and gentlemen,
I'm not used to.
it has unfolded here tonight. It's been a tragedy, a travesty. So, egg?
Yeah, egg first, after put the...
Or do we do this?
Yeah, you know, yeah, right. Okay, so now what this is, chicken popcorn and Coke. The Coke is their Coke. Okay, so it's your dinner and smite though.
I don't know.
I know, and it's like
I'm just making popcorn chicken.
best cooker in the world.
– 180 degrees. Oh, we're so... Right, we have to clean these up. Open you. Oh boy. Woohoo! Anyway, guys, yeah, not perfect looking, but it really tastes nice. I'm like 100. I'm really pleased. What are you?
Yeah.
Inside, perfectly cooked. I don't know. I feel like we got it like perfect. Like the spiciness, the crunchiness, all tastes perfect. Chips. Guys, look at this cloud. Does not look cool. Look at that. Ooh, UFO. And in conclusion, the Hellfire Club was a mysterious and controversial society that left an incredible mark on history. Its secret gatherings, scandals, rumours, and intriguing legends continue to captivate our imaginations. As we delved into the past, hung out in the area that it all happened, let's remember, history is both darkness and light. By unraveling these stories, we gain deeper understanding of our shared human experience, reminding us that the past, no matter how bad, it's part of your journey forward. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating exploration of the Hellfire Club in Dublin. Please subscribe, like, and comment if you like this video. If not, meh. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.